Hey guys, it's Becca. Welcome back to Cute Polish. Today I'll be showing you 3 different designs for New Year's. The first one is glittery stars, so start off with a base coat to protect your natural nails and 1 to 2 coats of a sheer polish. Use a nail art brush dipped in black to make the stars. Make a curved upside down V shape and then connect it with another right side up one underneath it. Fill in the star with black and then make a couple more stars of various sizes. Next, take a gold glitter polish and fill in the centers of the stars. Drag the polish from the center out to the points, but try to leave a little black around the edges. When you're finished, seal in your design with a top coat. The next design is some New Year's banners, so for this one, start off with a base coat and then 2 coats of a shimmery polish. When the base is dry, use a nail art brush and black polish to make the banners. First, make a half moon line near the top of your nail, and then make a W shape and fill it in. Use gold and silver polishes to write 2025 on the banners. When you're finished, seal in your design with a top coat. The last design is a kind of black and gold Art Deco look, so for this one, start off with a base coat and then 2 coats of a black polish. Use gold to make a half moon line near the top of your nail. Leave some room under the line and then keep using gold to make vertical lines coming down from the half moon, kind of like sun rays. Finally, apply a glossy top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Which of these 3 New Year's designs did you like the best? Let us know in the comments below. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.